Let's talk about the ORB strategy. Is it profitable? Is it not profitable? Let's take a look at it. So right here we have the DTT kill zones indicator, which basically shows you the ORB and the session high and the session low. Now, this is the Asian market. If you see what happened here, the ORB broke out of the top. It kept going. And yes, it would have been a profitable trade. Now we move on to London session. London session. It broke out of the top of the box. It kept going. That would have been a profitable trade. Now, if we continue, New York AM session, it has more volume. So let's take a look at how you could have played this session. So at the very top, it was trying to break out, but you either A, would have gotten chopped up, or B, you would have had some other kind of confluence and you would have noticed that it was consolidating at the top. So as soon as you see the breakdown, the collapse, you could have taken it from the inside of the box all the way to the bottom of the box, or even further down below the box. That could have been a profitable move. At first, it could have been a fake out, so you could have gotten stopped out, waited, and then execute once you see that it rejects in the opposite direction. Moving forward, we'll look at the New York PM ORB. So this one here could have been a profitable move. You see it broke out of the top of the ORB and you could have had a nice profit. Now we look at the Asian session. There's a lot of consolidation here, but ultimately when it did break out towards the end of the session, it would have been a profitable session. So, and we continue. Now we have London, same thing, broke out of the bottom, could have been a profitable trade. So I think you guys understand the point. Look at this, another New York AM session here, broke out of the bottom. There was a touch over here, which you could have taken that retest and dump. There's another retest up here. You could have taken that dump, made it even more money. So at the end of the day, you know, this one's a New York PM session. I don't really like trading it. You would have got chopped up here most likely. Could have been a losing day, or a losing session, I should say. Now, if you look at the Asian session, it broke down below. There was some room to grab some trades there. You could have made some money off that. London session, same thing. It broke above 2 times. You could have made money on that, right? New York AM session, same thing. That was today, actually. It rejected up here and then it collapsed, going down really hard. So after reviewing all of these different sessions of the ORB, you be the one to decide, is the ORB profitable, yes or no? Based off of what I've just shown here, I believe it is profitable. You can find this trading tool at doubletoptrading.com. That's where you can download the DTT kill zones indicator. Don't worry, it's not going to break the bank. There is no subscription. If you want to try it, it's $5. It's up to you. If you find value in it, you can obviously, try it out for a month. It's going to be cheaper for the month than it is for a daily type of fee. But that being said, the ORB is profitable. You should definitely give it a shot. Try out the ORB indicator that we have. It's not the same as every other indicator. The reason why is because the way I've designed and developed this tool, it's very special that it shows you the different sessions, it shows you the ORB, and it shows you the actual box within the ORB with different quadrants, and it tells you how much is the tick size from quadrant to quadrant. So that gives you a complete guide and helps you when it comes to managing your risk. Now, that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up, follow me, make sure you comment below, helping out the algorithms, bookmark it if you can, and share it with your friends, because you know what? The ORB is the way to go if you want to make some profits when you're day trading futures, and you can do this consistently every single day. There is going to be an opportunity for you. We have just explored that in this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys soon.